What if I told you, a teacher once said to a student, "You will never be successful"?
That's terrible. What happened to that student?
That student changed the way we understand the whole universe.
Wait, really? How?
He failed exams. He could not talk until he was 3 years old. Teachers thought he was slow.
3 years old and still not talking?
Yes, but later, he won the Nobel Prize and became the most famous scientist in history.
Okay, now I need to know, who is this?
This is Albert Einstein, and today, his story will surprise you and maybe change how you see yourself.
Hello friends, I'm Alex.
And I'm Mia. Welcome to English Cast Duo.
Today we tell you Albert Einstein's incredible life story.
In slow, simple English for A2, B1 learners.
Listen carefully. Shadow with us. Repeat after us.
Are you ready? Let's begin. Alex, when was Albert Einstein born?
He was born in 1879 in Germany, in a city called Ulm. His family was Jewish.
Was he a normal baby?
Not really. His parents were worried. He did not speak early.
Many children say small words at age 1 and simple sentences at age 2.
But Albert did not speak until he was 3 years old.
3 years old? That is very late?
Yes. His parents thought, is something wrong with our son? Some people thought he was slow.
But he was not slow. He was quiet. He was thinking. When Albert was 5, his father showed him something special. A compass.
A compass is a small tool. It has a little needle. The needle always points to the north.
Albert looked at the compass and was very surprised.
He asked, "Why does the needle move like this? What is this invisible force?"
This small object made him very curious. He started to love science from that day.
Let's shadow together. Repeat after us.
He was very curious.
He was very curious.
He loved to ask questions.
He loved to ask questions.
Great job.
Mia, how was Albert at school?
He was different. He did not like to only memorize facts.
He did not like to just repeat what the teacher said. He wanted to understand why.
Some teachers did not like this. They wanted quiet students.
One teacher even said, "Albert, you will never be successful."
Imagine your teacher saying that to you. That is very hard.
Later, Albert's family moved to Italy, to a city called Milan.
Albert stayed in Germany for school, but he was very unhappy there.
The rules were very strict. The teachers were very strict.
Finally, he left that school and went to Italy to join his family.
Later, he wanted to study at a university in Switzerland. He took an entrance exam.
But he failed the exam. He did not pass.
His math and physics were good, but other subjects were not good enough.
He felt very sad. He felt like a failure. Let's shadow some important lines.
He failed the exam.
He failed the exam.
But he did not give up.
But he did not give up.
Excellent.
So Alex, did he stop studying?
No. He studied more and tried again. He finally entered a university in Switzerland.
He studied math and physics, and he finished his degree.
He wanted to become a university teacher, but there was a big problem.
No university wanted him. For almost 2 years, he could not find a job.
He sent many letters. He waited and waited. Still, nothing.
These were hard years. He had a wife and a young family. He needed money.
Finally, a friend helped him get a job. He worked at a patent office in the city of Bern.
A patent office is a place where people bring new inventions. They bring ideas for new machines or tools.
The office checks. If the ideas are new and possible, Albert's job was to read these papers.
The job was not very exciting, but it was important. It gave him money.
And it gave him something more. Time to think.
Let's shadow.
He worked in a patent office.
He worked in a patent office.
He used his free time to think.
He used his free time to think. Great speaking practice.
Now, something amazing happened in 1905.
Albert was still working at the patent office. He was not a famous professor.
But in that 1 year, he wrote 4 important science papers.
4 papers in 1 year. Scientists called 1905 his miracle year.
In one paper, he wrote about light. He said light can act like tiny particles.
In another paper, he wrote about atoms and helped prove they are real.
In a third paper, he wrote about movement and speed. He said nothing can move faster than light.
And in the 4th paper, he wrote his most famous idea, the relationship between mass and energy.
He wrote a small formula, E equals mc squared.
You do not need to understand the math. The big idea is a small amount of mass can become a huge amount of energy.
This changed physics. It changed how we understand the universe.
But remember, he did this while working, a normal office job.
At that time, he was still Mr. Einstein. From the patent office, not a star professor.
He was about 26 years old, young and not famous.
But his ideas were very powerful. Let's shadow.
He had a miracle year.
He had a miracle year.
His ideas changed science forever.
His ideas changed science forever.
Nice work. After 1905, scientists started to notice Albert.
They read his papers and were surprised. Step by step, universities invited him.
He became a professor and continued his research.
In 1915, he finished his general theory of relativity. It explained gravity in a new way.
He said big things, like the sun and planets, bend space and time.
It sounded strange, but later, experiments showed he was right.
In 1921, Albert Einstein won the Nobel Prize in Physics.
The Nobel Prize is the most important prize in science. Now he was famous all over the world.
People loved his ideas and his crazy hair.
He became a symbol of genius.
But the world was changing. In the 1930s, the Nazis came to power in Germany. They hated Jewish people.
Albert Einstein was Jewish, so it became dangerous for him to stay in Germany.
He left Germany and moved to the United States. He started a new life there.
He worked at a university. In Princeton, he became an American citizen. He spoke about peace and against war.
Einstein died in 1955 at the age of 76.
But his ideas are still alive today.
Now, what can we learn from Albert Einstein?
Lesson 1. It is okay to be different.
He was quiet. He asked strange questions. Teachers did not understand him.
But his difference was his power.
Lesson 2. You can fail and still succeed.
He failed exams. He could not find a job. He felt like a failure.
But he did not stop. He continued to learn and think.
Lesson 3. Big dreams can start in small places.
He was just a worker in an office, but he used his free time well.
He used his mind, and he changed the world.
Let's shadow these sentences together.
It is okay to be different.
It is okay to be different.
You can fail and still succeed.
You can fail and still succeed.
Big dreams can start in small places.
Big dreams can start in small places. Great speaking.
Thank you for listening to the story about Albert Einstein.
You practiced English listening, and you practiced shadowing with us.
If you enjoyed this story, listen again and repeat more times.
This will help your pronunciation and your memory.
We are Alex
And Mia from English Cast Duo. See you in the next episode. Bye.
Bye.